If you live in Michigan and you're thinking about protecting your retirement savings with physical gold, this video will walk you step by step through how to buy a gold IRA in Michigan and what retirees here need to understand before making a move. This is especially relevant if you're retiring in Metro Detroit after a long career in the auto industry or engineering, living in Lansing or Grand Rapids after years in state government or healthcare, or relocating to northern Michigan and places like Traverse City for a quieter retirement surrounded by lakes and rural communities. Michigan retirees operate in a unique economic environment shaped by industrial history, manufacturing cycles, and a cost of living that is generally lower than the national average, but still demanding when it comes to long-term retirement planning. A gold IRA is one strategy some Michigan retirees use as part of a broader effort to diversify beyond traditional market assets and protect wealth built through decades of hard work. Before we go any further, I need to make a clear disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered tax, legal, or financial advice. Every retirement situation is unique. Tax laws change, estate planning rules evolve, and your income sources may differ significantly from someone else in your county. Always consult a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or retirement specialist before moving money from any retirement account. The purpose of this video is to explain structure and strategy so you can make informed decisions with professional guidance. As I was researching this topic, I leaned heavily on educational materials from firms that specialize specifically in gold IRAs, including Augusta Precious Metals. They focus a lot on investor education rather than hype, which is helpful when you're dealing with something as serious as retirement planning. I'll leave a link to their free educational guide in the description below if you want more details. One of the biggest reasons gold is being considered in Michigan is what many people call the auto sector volatility effect. Michigan's economy has been tied to the automotive industry for more than a century. The state is home to the big three automakers, Ford, General Motors, and Stellantis. Generations of engineers, designers, assembly workers, and executives have built their careers inside these companies or within the massive network of suppliers that support them. For retirees who spent 30 or 40 years in the auto industry, their wealth is often connected to the same sector through company stock holdings, industry-linked mutual funds, or retirement plans that track industrial market performance. But the automotive sector is currently undergoing one of the most dramatic transitions in its history. The shift toward electric vehicles, global competition from international automakers, supply chain disruptions, and the rapid pace of technological change have introduced new volatility into the industry. Retirees who built large 401k balances during the traditional combustion engine era sometimes look for ways to decouple part of their savings from the fortunes of a single industry. Gold historically functions as a diversification tool because its value is not tied to the profitability of any one corporation or sector. For someone whose career and portfolio were both heavily connected to automotive manufacturing, allocating part of retirement savings to gold can create a hedge against industry-specific downturns. Another factor shaping retirement decisions in Michigan is the retirement savings gap. Data from recent 2025 and 2026 state retirement studies suggests that a single person retiring in Michigan may need roughly $750,000 to nearly $900,000 saved to fund a comfortable 20-year retirement. That typically translates to around $53,000 to $58,000 in annual spending after Social Security benefits are considered. While Michigan's cost of living is about 10% lower than the national average, many retirees still find that their savings fall short of the recommended target. Healthcare costs, housing maintenance, utilities, transportation, and inflation can gradually erode fixed incomes over time. For retirees who do have substantial retirement accounts, the focus often shifts from aggressive growth to preservation. Protecting the wealth you already accumulated becomes just as important as continuing to grow it. Gold plays a role in some portfolios because it historically maintains purchasing power during inflationary periods and provides diversification when stock markets experience volatility. It's important to clarify something foundational. A gold IRA is not a Michigan-specific retirement account. It is a federal account governed by IRS rules under Internal Revenue Code Section 48 meters. This section of the tax code defines which precious metals qualify, the required purity standards, and the storage rules for holding metals inside a retirement account. These rules apply uniformly across every state in the country. A gold IRA operates within the same tax-deferred framework as a traditional IRA, except instead of holding mutual funds, ETFs, or individual stocks, the account holds IRS-approved physical precious metals. Compliance with these federal rules is essential to maintain the tax advantages associated with retirement accounts. Let's talk about where most Michigan Gold IRA funding typically comes from. The first major source is the auto industry workforce itself. Thousands of employees retire each year from Ford, General Motors, Stellantis, and their surrounding supplier networks. These workers often accumulate substantial balances in corporate 401k plans. In many cases, these retirement accounts include company stock that has grown over decades. Upon retirement, workers can roll their 401k balances into a traditional IRA through a direct trustee-to-trustee rollover without triggering taxes. Some retirements choose to allocate a portion of those rollover funds into a gold IRA as a way to protect lifetime earnings from corporate stock volatility. Another important group includes members of the Michigan Public School Employees Retirement System, commonly known as MPCER. Teachers, administrators, and school staff typically receive defined benefit pensions, but many also contribute to supplemental retirement accounts such as the State of Michigan 401k or 457 plans. Although the state has made progress strengthening the pension system, the fund still carries long-term liabilities that are projected to be addressed over the coming decades. Some teachers and school employees choose to diversify their supplemental retirement savings into assets that exist outside the pension system entirely. A gold IRA can function as a private financial safety net that is independent of state funding conditions. Healthcare professionals, also as black and white, fold of light, and more. Large health systems such as Corewell Health and University of Michigan Health employ tens of thousands of doctors, nurses, administrators, and specialists. These professionals often accumulate significant retirement savings through hospital-sponsored 403b plans or private retirement accounts. Upon retirement, those accounts can be rolled into IRAs, where retirees gain more flexibility in how their assets are allocated. Diversifying a portion of those funds into precious metals is one option some choose as part of a broader retirement strategy. Here's how buying a gold IRA works, step by step. The first step is opening a self-directed IRA with an IRS-approved non-bank custodian. These custodians specialize in alternative assets and ensure your account follows IRS regulations. The second step is funding your account, usually through a direct rollover or transfer from an existing 401k, 403b, 457 plan, or TSP. It's important to emphasize a direct, trustee-to-trustee rollover to avoid the mandatory 20% IRS withholding tax and to keep the process smooth with any relevant tax authorities. The third step is selecting IRS-approved investment-grade metals. Gold must meet a minimum purity of 0.995, and silver must meet a minimum purity of 0.999. The final step is storage. The gold is owned by your IRA, not by you personally, and it must be stored in an IRS-approved third-party depository under the custody of your account. This ensures compliance with federal regulations, protects your investment from personal liability, and guarantees that your metals are properly secured. Now, let's look at what many people call the Great Lakes advantages for retirees considering a gold IRA. One of the biggest developments is Michigan's retirement tax repeal. Under Public Act 4 of 2023, the state is phasing out the retirement tax that was introduced in 2011. By the 2025 tax year, retirees can deduct up to 75% of their qualifying retirement income. By the 2026 tax year, the tax is fully repealed, meaning most retirement distributions will no longer be subject to Michigan personal income tax. This includes distributions from IRAs, including gold IRAs. For retirees, this creates a strategic opportunity. Some individuals may choose to defer withdrawals from their retirement accounts until the repeal fully takes effect. Once the tax is gone, distributions from a gold IRA can potentially be withdrawn completely free from Michigan state income tax. That means retirees can access their savings without losing a portion of it to state taxation. Another benefit comes from Michigan's sales tax rules. State law exempts investment coins and bullion from the 6% sales tax as long as the metals meet a purity threshold of at least 90%. Because IRS regulations require gold IRA metals to be at least 90-95 pure, every eligible gold product automatically meets Michigan's exemption standard. That means precious metals purchased for a gold IRA are completely free from state sales tax. There is also a special tax benefit for retired public safety workers. Retired police officers, firefighters, and Michigan State Police troopers are allowed to deduct their retirement benefits without any cap, bypassing the phasing schedule that applies to other retirees. For individuals who served in these public safety roles, this creates additional flexibility when planning retirement income and withdrawals from supplemental accounts. So who is this strategy really for? In Michigan, it often fits the UAW veteran who spent decades on the assembly line or in engineering and wants to protect retirement savings from the ups and downs of the automotive sector. It may fit the MPCRS teacher who is supplementing a state pension with rollover assets from a 403B or 457 plan. It can also appeal to healthcare professionals or professionals relocating to northern Michigan who want a portion of their wealth held in tangible assets outside the traditional financial system. The mindset behind these decisions is often what many people call Midwest prudence. Michigan retirees tend to value stability, discipline, and the protection of wealth earned through years of labor. They often approach retirement planning with a practical mindset focused on preserving purchasing power, minimizing unnecessary taxes, and maintaining financial independence. A gold IRA is not a replacement for pensions, Social Security, or traditional investment strategies. It is one component of a diversified retirement plan. But in a state with deep industrial roots, evolving economic sectors, and new tax advantages for retirees, understanding how to properly structure and buy a gold IRA can be part of a thoughtful plan to protect savings, diversify assets, and maintain long-term financial security throughout retirement. If you want to learn more, Augusta Precious Metals offers a free educational guide that explains how gold IRAs work, the potential risks and fees involved, and whether this strategy makes sense for your situation. The guide walks through the rollover process, storage requirements, and common mistakes to avoid, helping you decide whether this strategy fits into your broader retirement plan. There's no obligation, it's purely informational. You can click the link in the description box below this video to grab the free guide and learn more about protecting your retirement with physical gold.